Hey, hey, all I know is, bro, the AirPods are connected, bro. They're straight connected now, bro. AirPods on deck. They're in the ears. AirPods are in my ears now. The case is so fresh. Ah, ah. Oh, oh. Hey, bro, I just got done with my dentist appointment, bro. They tightened the shit, man. They tightened everything. Dude, I got pink. Like, fucked up ass teeth. Damn. Yeah, bro, I just got that shit done right now. Ah, bro, I'm out of bud, so I'm trying to go pick up. I'm gonna pick up right now. Ah, ah. Damn, I just got a sneeze attack. Ah. Ah. Hold on. Ah. Damn, sneeze attack with Daniel Sedha. Hey, but when I pick up, you better look forward to some bud vlogs, some bong rips. Ah. Hey, my nose is one of one, bro. You've never seen a nose like mine. Just saying. Hey, but hey, thanks for watching me sneeze, man. I just got a freaking sneeze attack right now. Um, a braces update. A daily activity update. Next activity that I'm most likely gonna do is freaking go fucking pick up motherfucking like a G or some like hybrid or sativa. I'm gonna try to get a new strain that I've never smoked before, and I'm a motherfucking make another vlog, and I'm do some bong rips and look forward to all that shit, man. You know you love hearing me talk, man. I'm a good ass talker, bruh. I'm a good ass. Hey, but my dentist told me, hey, motherfucker, you're getting your shit off in like 3 months, man. 3 months. That shit went by fast, man. Time went by so fast. Wow. I feel like I just got old quick, man. Time's so quick. Freaking New Year's is almost here, man. And dude, I just remember last New Year's, bro. And it's like, wow, time goes by so quick, man. It's scary, bro. But hey, I hope to live a long life, man. It's how fast time's going by, man. Like shit, man. I don't fucking know, man. What if time goes so fast? I'm freaking next thing you know, I don't know, man. But shit, oh man, yeah, shit tired. Need to smoke now, bro. Ah, damn. Hey, alright, guys. Till next video, man. Hey, like and subscribe. Watch all my shit, man. Hey, be entertained. I have valuable information, man. Blah, 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 blah. Watch all my shit, man. Hey, like, subscribe, comment. Bye.